Alhamdulillahi wahdah, wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'dah, amma ba'd. The top priority of our parents are to give us the best possible comfort in our life, to raise us in a productive environment, to educate us as much as possible, and they sacrifice their lives on us. So the point is, can we pay back to them? The answer is never. But what can we do to try to pay back? Quran says, so the message of Quran is to make dua for our parents, to always remember our parents within our dua, within our pray. O Allah, they didn't deprive us of anything, so do not deprive them of paradise.